Doctors from hell. They were supposed to save his life. Instead, they stole it. Watch till the end. You'll never trust blindly again. Chijuke was the pride of his parents, their only son, their future. Just a small red spot, a pimple under his nostril. Nothing serious, right? But if you're worried, we can remove it. Nigeria doctors all said, but his father had a bad feeling. It's nothing, the foreign doctors said too, but they suggested a minor surgery. Chijioke went in for a simple nose procedure in abroad, but he never truly came back. He later did, but it took him 3 days after surgery. He finally woke up. But something was wrong. The truth, his kidneys were gone. Stolen by who? Chijioke, a bright 14-year-old boy, had everything. Until a simple surgery turned into a nightmare. His loving parents, determined to give him the best care, took him abroad for a minor procedure. But after the surgery, something was wrong. He slept for days. Weeks later, he fainted. Doctors in Nigeria made a chilling discovery. His kidneys were gone. Stolen. His mother fell to the floor, screaming. His father raged, demanding answers. The truth. The hospital denied the allegation. They were known for best practice. What really went wrong? They all asked, "Take my kidney," Mama Chijioke begged. But she was no match. No donor. No time. His life was stolen. His dreams buried forever. Chijioke took his last breath. His parents lost everything. Lesson. Not all doctors heal. Some destroy. Be careful whom you trust with your child's life or even your life. Like, comment, share. This warning could save a life.